So if you have the gene for cancer in your family, if you inherited that from your grandmother, your father, your mother, your whatever, then cancer is not preventable according to genetic determinism. So do you think it's that simple? I have it in the genes, so I'll get it. We have an answer here, okay? Most medical researchers affirm that genetics is the basis of degenerative diseases. So if genetics would be the basis of all degenerative diseases, would cancer be preventable? Not the people that have the genes, huh? So if you have the gene for cancer in your family, if you inherited that from your grandmother, your father, your mother, your whatever, then cancer is not preventable according to genetic determinism. Okay, it says genes operate fairly independently, continuing to do their thing with little impact from environmental and lifestyle factors. In other words, it doesn't matter what you do. It doesn't matter the habits that you try to develop, the good habits and the good food that you try to eat. It doesn't matter all the exercise in the world that you do. If you have it in the genes, you will get it. That's what they are saying, genetic determinism. That's what they are. It's all in the genes, okay? But that's an idea that falls in the field of reductionism. We try to give simple answers to complex issues. So do you think it's that simple? I have it in the genes, so I'll get it. Okay, let's see some other point of view. This point of view is called nutritional determinism. Now that's different, huh? Not genetic determinism, but what? Nutritional determinism. And I'm going to read this quote. The words in red are from the book Whole, Rethinking the Science of Nutrition. And probably most of you have heard about Dr. Colin Campbell. And it says, we start with health and disease genes. So when we're born, we have good health, good genes, and we have what? Bad genes, okay? So we start with health and disease genes, but listen to this, nutritional practices control expression of the genes. So the way we eat can control or will control the expression of the genes. Good nutrition blocks the expression of disease genes, leaving only what? Health genes to produce health, okay? And we see the chart in there. You have the parental genome, the newborn genome. So now the baby has the parental genomes, okay? But depending on, what the person does, you see nutritional interception in there. If you have good nutrition, then you will intercept or block the development of the disease genes. And you will only have the manifestation of which genes? The healthy ones, okay? And so the outcome will be high, good health, okay? If you have bad nutrition, then you don't block the disease genes, then the disease genes could be manifested, and what do we have? The result would be disease. In his other book, The China Study, it says not all genes are fully expressed all the time. If they aren't activated or expressed, they remain what? Biochemically dormant. And dormant genes do not have any effect on our health. What happens to cause some genes to remain dormant and other genes to express themselves? What's the answer? It says environment, especially what? The diet.